lot of people could be doing something else, you know, but we chose to come out at 6:45 on Saturday and decided to do this, and it's just feels good to do that.
It really just shows what community we have.
It was just great to see the sea of faces and the sea of dads who are willing to give of their time and their energies and their support for Hoover City Schools. It makes you proud to be part of Hoover City Schools, makes you proud to be a dad.
This is so powerfully motivating for us, because to see that kind of support from our community, to see that kind of support from our dads toward our schools.
Man, you know, it's a neat thing being a guy, you know, it's only my second year here, but just seeing the real community involvement. It's that way with everything that happens in Hoover.
As I say all the time, it's not about, you know, community is not about the soul or the building, it's about the people that's in it and how they care about their city, how they care about their schools. It speaks volume to the type of men that we have in our city.